Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rila Rahma Mulyani with student ID 230181888. Today I will presenting on language variation and change from a sociolinguistic perspective. Introduction. Sociolinguistics is a branch of linguistics that studies the relationship between language and society. It, focus, it focuses on how social factors such as age, gender, social class, ethnicity, and context influence the way people use language. Language is not a fixed or stable system. Instead, it is dynamic and constantly changing. People do not all speak in the same way, even when they use the same language. These differences are known as language variation, and over time, some of this variation can lead to language changes. What is language variation? Language variations refer to difference in language use among speaker or group of speakers. These differences can appear in several aspects of language, including pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. For example, some speakers pronounce certain sounds differently, use different words for the same object, or choose different grammatically structures. Importantly, language variation is not random. It follows clear patterns related to social and contextual factors. Types of language variation. There are several major types of language variation. The first, regional variation, refers to differences based on geographical locations such as accent and dialects. Second, social variation is influenced by social factors like age, gender, social class, education, and ethnicity. Third, stylistic variation occurs when speakers change how they speak depending on the level of formality. For example, people often speak more formally in interviews and more casually with friends. Finally, contextual variation depend on the situation and the relationship between speakers. What is language change? Language change occurs when certain language variation become widespread and accepted over time. These changes usually happen gradually and across generations rather than suddenly. Language change can involve the creation of new words, changes in pronunciation, or shift in meaning. For example, many words related to technology did not exist in the past but are now part of everyday language. Sociolinguistic phenomena. Okay, the key of sociolinguistic phenomenon behind language variation and change is that people use language to express identity and social belonging. Speakers adjust their language to fit into particular social groups or communities. Language choices can signal who we are, where we come from, and which group we belong to. When a particular form of language is repeatedly used within a community, it can eventually spread and become part of the language system. The social interaction plays a crucial role in shaping language. Social factors influencing language variation and change. Several social factors influence how language varies and changes. Okay, the first, young people often lead language change because they are more open to innovation. Gender can influence language use, as men and women may prefer different speech forms in certain social societies. Social class also affects language, especially in relation to prestige and power. In addition, peer groups, social networks, media, and technology play a major role in spreading new language forms quickly across society. Real life examples. Okay, real life, a real life example. A common example of language variation is the difference between going to and gonna. The shorter form is usually used in informal situations, while the longer form is preferred in formal contexts. Another example is the influence of technology on language. Words like text, selfie, and Google oriented from technological development and are now widely accepted. Over time, informal or innovative form can become standard through frequent use. Importance of study language variation and change. Studying language variation and change is important for several reasons. It helps us understand how language reflects social identity and relationship. It also changes in the idea that only one form of language is correct, showing that all language varieties are systematic and meaningful. This knowledge is especially important in education, where understanding students' language backgrounds can improve teaching and learning. In conclusion, language variation is a natural and essential part of human communication. Social factors strongly influence how people use language, and over time, this variation can lead to language change. Language is not only a tool for communication, but also a reflection of society, culture, and identity. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.